Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we want to discuss about the how to get a course from Coursera, like how to get financial aid from Coursera, like how to get free courses from Coursera, guys. So we're going to discuss about all the financial purpose in Coursera, guys. Let's get started. So before getting into, I want to one advice from my end. So like always, before I used to say to my friends that getting certificate is not going to matter at all. So it's matter about the water content you learn from the course, guys. So like don't fall for the certificates. So certificates are just piece of paper. It's going to helpful for some cases, but I'm not saying about the certificates are useless. But you just want to learn the content in the what types of methods or the teaching or the learning style. You just need to learn the all concepts, and you need to apply them in from real time projects, from hands-on experience, guys. This is how you want to build your career, and this is how you want to develop your career, and this is how you want to help the society, guys. So instead of focusing on certificates, I just want to, from small request from my end, just focus on learning stuff and implement using some real life project, guys. That's one thing I want to share with you. Now let's get in video, guys. So today's video, as I said before, we want to discuss about how to audit courses and how to get the financial from. So the first thing, guys, just open the Coursera website. So this is our Coursera web. So this is how Coursera looks. So as now open, this is already web page look, Coursera web look, where you have a for students and this account, the profile, everything you have, and then here you just mention the currently you are posting. Let's say if you're a student, just mention the students. If you're working profession, just mention working profession. So it depends on the person, and click on the save to profile. So that's a complete, guys. Now the first thing, let's discuss how to audit the course from Coursera, guys. The first thing, you can see the tab here. Just click on this. Let me search for deep learning course. So you can search for any courses, guys. So I'm just using one example as a deep learning course. This is the first deep learning course. So this is Andrew Ng course. I know this course is a very, very fantastic course for machine learning domain. So this is a training of the course Andrew Ng. So as soon as you went to the course, this is how the website looks. So you have your shareable certificating and 100% online flexible schedule intermediate level. So even they have mentioned what's the time you can spend for a course, guys. So after going down, you have these 4 courses. So in deep learning, they have around 5 courses in deep learning. One is sequence model, CNN, and then structured machine learning projects, and improving deep learning neural networks and neural networks and deep learning, guys. Just click on any course here. So just click on the course. So after clicking, you will be getting a page like this. Just click on enroll for free here. So as soon as enroll for, you can see audit option here. Just click on that audit option, guys. So that's it, guys. So this is how you can audit the courses, guys. So after auditing, the one thing about the auditing is that you won't be getting certificate, guys. You can access whole course. You can do assignments and quiz, but the one thing, guys, you won't be getting certificates. So this is one drawback of the audit. So my one more request, so after in case if you want the course for audit, so after few days, if you really require a certificate, you can pay the certificate and get the, guys. Now let's see how to get financial in Coursera, guys. So even for financial, let me show you taking deep learning example itself. Just go and type deep learning. Here. So after going click on it, you can see financial aid option here. Just click on the financial aid option. So as now financial aid, you will be getting a notification message application takes around 50 days to get review, guys. So if you're applying for today, it takes around 15 days to get review, and they will be giving response to whether the application got selected on financial aid. So these are the pop-up messages, Coursera. So you can see continue to application form. Just click on the continue application form, guys. So click on the continue application form. So after clicking that, you can see financial aid. They have some rules mentioned here. So they mentioned we are proud to offer financial aid program that helps people across the skills, and they want to learn. Our program was created to help students who cannot afford to pay for coded courses. So literally they mentioned that financial only applicable for the students who couldn't able to offer the amount. So for the student, we are providing financial aid. So we might ask every applicant share accurate information on the application commits to finish the courses on Coursera. So they have two terms and conditions. The first thing they want share accurate information though. They want version of not the scam, guys. So if you're offering financial aid, just be true about yourself and just apply to it. So one more thing, guys, they just want to spend some valuable time and complete course on time, guys. So that's the request they're asking from the users. So click on those checkbox. So after clicking checkbox in above, they have a one more argument, you just need to type the sentence in below. So in below they mentioned that I agree to the terms and conditions. Just type the thing which they mentioned here. The last thing just about the mention. So as now completing this above sentence, just click on the continue. So after in the second page, this how it looks, guys. The first thing, the education background. So if you're a college student, just go for the college degree. So if you're doing some higher studies, just go for the masters. And then if you're a school student, just apply for high school. So depends on the person, guys. And then like annual income. So if you're a college student, like you don't be getting, like you are not working, guys, just mention like some internship amount if you're having, or else mention 0 rupees. It's depend on person. If a school student, like you can mention 0 rupees here. And then employment status. So employment status, they have a full-time, part-time, unemployed student. So as I said, like if you are college student, just go for the like college degree over there. So annual income, like if you have some internship amount, just put internship amount over there. If you don't have any income source, just put 0 over there. So in next sentence, just give, like if you are working as intern, just mention full-time or part-time, or like it's like a self-employed, just mention everything over there. So if there is an option called student too, so if you're a student, just you can go for student option. How much can you afford to pay per month? Like they're asking, like if you want to go for EMI options, like you can pay, how much money you can pay. So they're asking US dollars, so it depends on the person, guys. So how much money you can pay to them, so you can mention it every over there. So even they have a one thing option called per course, right? So how much money you can pay for the per course. So even you can like select the option according to yours. So and the next thing, they have a why you're applying for financial aid. So this is a very key role, guys. So this is where you just need to be truthful for yourself and by applying, guys. So let's say, like I have seen one application, one of my college friends. So because of the COVID reason last year, so he couldn't able to afford the courses. That's the reason he mentioned below in financial, like due to COVID crisis, so his dad lost this job. So that's the reason, like he couldn't afford the course. So he mentioned everything about the family condition. So he mentioned about it. So depends on the person, guys, you can do. So if you're a student, like you are like only one parent who's working, or is like working in a family, you can mention those related here. And then how will taking this course will help you, like you need to mention, like by taking, let's say if you're taking deep learning course, so after taking deep learning course, I'm going to apply for higher studies. So if you want to do some research work, you can mention over there. So for career goals, like sir, what purpose you're taking those, you just need to mention the career goal here, guys. So like they have a like some feedback option, like help us improve. So we are asking, we are looking for opportunity to improve a financial program made for learners like you, and we would like to love and feedback. So they're asking you feedback, like if you can give feedbacks, you can give, like if you want something to be added in the course, you can give over there, guys. So these are the form looks. So after clicking everything, you can click on that I am not robot and then submit application, guys. So this is how you like you get the free financial aid from the Courseware, guys. I'll share one application, guys. So this application where after this application where before like getting like this application, you can see, right? So this application where before like applying to like Coursera, they will be sending a mail, right? Like after this application, you will be sending a mail from Coursera. This is how it looks. So they mentioned like financial aid being approved, received. So it takes 15 days, as I mentioned, it takes around 15 days to get approval, guys. So there's a thing, I will show one more mail, like I got like financial approval thing. So yes, guys. So this is how it looks, guys. So after applying for the financial aid, if application gets selected, so this is how the mail, guys. If financial aid is application is approved, so after getting approval, you can start away courses for free, guys. So like financially depends on the person, guys. So person profile. So from some cases you will get the full financial from full scholarships. Some cases you might get like 50%, some cases 75%. Depends on the like what are the things you are applying over, guys. As I said before, the key role of the getting financial aid is answering these two questions, guys. The first thing, why applying for financial aid, and second thing, how is going to help for career goal, guys. These are the two things like the Courseware audience looking for the students, guys. So this is how you can apply using financial aid, guys. And I hope everyone clear about how to apply financial aid, how to get the audit course, guys. So if you have any doubts, do comment in comment box. I'll try to clear the doubts, guys. Even you can mail me. I will have mail in description. I can mail me. I can clear doubts, guys. So before ending video, I want to say one more thing, guys. So Courseware is offering some free courses for college students, guys. So in case if still your college didn't register to Courseware, just ask just let you know college professor HOD like regarding this matter, like this news, and then like let the college register the Coursera so that you can get some free courses, guys. So it is a small updation for me. I hope this video helps you, guys. So in today's way we learned about how to edit course on Coursera, how to do financial aid in Coursera, and third thing, like as I said before, if still your college didn't approve, get registered for the Coursera, just ask them to register in college, guys, so that students will get free courses, guys. I'll share like my college profile. So let me share my college profile, guys. So like yes guys, so these are my college. So as I'm studying JP college, let me share my college profile. So you can see like my college been registered in Coursera, so that's the reason like I have this JP college Coursera and Coursera guys. So because of this benefit, I got one course to take for free guys. So I didn't pay any amount, I didn't apply for financial aid, I didn't audit the course, but I got a one free course guys. So even last year they got this scheme. So in last year they have so many, like they didn't limit the course, so you can take how much you want, but this time only I got the one course. So I don't know like what's the reason, but I got the one course. So this semester I took the custom, so there's a course called in deep learning AI, which is a TensorFlow advanced model guys. Let me show you course too. So this is how the course looks. So yes guys, so these are the course rule, like the instructor of the course, it's like it's a TensorFlow, it's working as a Google TensorFlow. So these are the course looks, it's an advanced model TensorFlow. So in last year I did a full course on TensorFlow, now I took advanced course for implementing few research projects guys. So that's the reason I took the course. Yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you got clear idea of how to get courses for free. As I said before, don't focus on certificates guys, just focus on the content, focus on learning stuff guys. So if you have the learning stuff capability, you can survey anywhere guys. That's small advice from my end. I hope this video helps you. We'll meet you soon. Bye guys.